Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school software from an iPad. The most effective and recommended approach is to contact your school's IT department directly. They possess the necessary administrative access to remotely unenroll your device from their management system. This ensures a clean removal without compromising any security protocols. It's the safest and most straightforward method to regain full control of your iPad. School software is typically installed and managed through a system called Mobile Device Management, or MDM. This powerful tool allows educational institutions to control various aspects of your iPad, including app installations, settings, and content restrictions. Removing MDM profiles usually requires specific administrative credentials or a complete reset of the device. Understanding MDM helps clarify why direct school involvement is often essential for removal. If contacting your school's IT department isn't an option, a full device wipe remains a viable, albeit more drastic, solution. This process will completely erase all data, including personal files, applications, and any school-related software or profiles. It's crucial to understand that this action is irreversible for data not backed up. Therefore, always ensure you have securely saved any important photos, documents, or other personal information before proceeding. To perform a device wipe, navigate to the Settings application on your iPad. From there, tap on General and then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Erase all content and settings to initiate the process. Your iPad will then restart, effectively returning to its factory default state. This action will remove all school software, allowing you to set up your device as if it were brand new.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.